Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. Today's drink is called The Last Word. Something that you would never get in an argument with your girl, right? You would never get the last word. But anyway, this is a pre-prohibition cocktail that was made in Detroit. One of the main ingredients is green chartreuse. Green chartreuse. I know I'm not saying it right, but it is the herbal cocktail that is made by monks that is very, 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 very hard to get. Somehow it became really popular now, and the monks were like, "Oh no, you're overworking me." So it's hard to get. So they have alternatives, right? It's an herbal drink, and this is Genepi. According to the web, it is very, very similar. So we're going to use this instead because I cannot find the green chartreuse. And here we go. We're going to start off with 3/4 of an ounce of our knockoff, green chartreuse knockoff. All right, so next we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of gin. Because it's an herbal drink, I wanted to use this Roku Japanese gin because it's very, very floral, right? So I figure it will pair nicely with this. Again, 3/4 of an ounce. Next, we got some maraschino liqueur from the cherries. And I haven't opened it yet. Now here we go. All right, so we're gonna go, again, the same 3/4 of an ounce. So this is a pretty balanced cocktail. Last is a 3/4 of an ounce, the same, of lime juice. Like I said, it's very balanced. Everything is equal, right? So give this a little quick swirl. Then I'm gonna add some ice. Give it a good chill. Strain it into our glass. And there you have it. The last word. Cheers. I didn't know what to say. It is so flavorful. And at the end, you can taste the maraschino cherries liqueur, because it gives a little sweetness, right? Because you taste all the herbs, right? And all the other elements, right? This is actually another really good drink. I picked the right ones. Until next time, guys. Cheers. And don't forget to like, follow, and share for more content.